I don't, oh, I'm so excited right now. I love Jaclyn Hill. I love Morphe. Well, I'm not in love with Morphe, but they have good, you know, they're pretty good. You know what I mean? Especially for the price. And Jaclyn Hill, I love Jaclyn so much. And she made a palette with Morphe, which is what I'm going to be showing you today. Also, I want to admit that my forehead may look very orange. I did not put an ounce of bronzer on. It is just a tan. I literally got so much sun on my forehead. I was just camping and woo, I got very tan. Look at just, oh, I look so tan. I love it. Anywho, not important, but I just wanted to say that. Anywho, I am so excited. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette that is dedicated to her subscribers. Look how cute she is. It's just, oh my gosh, I got this a few days ago. I went camping, I got back, and that's where I am at right now. I'm gonna try this out today. I'm gonna be doing a first impression. We're gonna be reviewing it, seeing if you should get it. So if you're like thinking of getting it, but you're like, should I don't know, this is gonna confirm if you should or you shouldn't. So I think it's gonna be really good. She said she worked 2 years on this palette. Each shadow is pressed differently than the other because, you know, each shadow needs to be pressed, because if it's like a matte shadow, then it should be pressed a little more, you know, yada yada yada, to make it more pigmented, more blendable, and all that fun stuff. So she worked her butt off for this palette. At least that's what she's saying. These are all the colors. This is the card that it came with. I haven't even touched it. Well, I've touched the box, but not inside. I haven't even swatched it. We're gonna swatch it. Oh my gosh, this is 38 bucks and I am just so excited. I swear it is so cute. This is the back and this is the front. It's just very elegant and basic. That's what I like. I don't like busy things. So it just says the Jaclyn Hill palette. These look so beautiful. Wow, I'm so happy for her. Wow, these are gorgeous. I swear this palette is barely, like, I don't even think it's missing anything. The only thing I wish is there was a pink shadow and there was a cream shadow, because I believe these two are actually shimmery. I don't know, let's just swatch. The palette bends, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna swatch this shade right here. That is is it shimmery? Whoa, that is so pigmented. Jaclyn, I love it. It's definitely, it's a shimmer. It's a shimmer for sure. I'm gonna go into the next color, which I think is a shimmer as well, is it? It's so creamy that I can't even tell if it's a shimmer, because it's not like a chunky glitter. Yes, those are both very shimmery. I do wish one was a matte, because I feel like a matte cream you need in a palette. I cannot believe how tan my forehead is. It looks so funny, but so buttery. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and this shade. Oh my gosh, these are so buttery. Oh my gosh, wow. This shadow, she said she worked really hard on this golden bronzy dream. Oh my gosh. This is stunning. There is some fallout. Let me just see, you know, you see that? But oh, I'm dead. This is so gorgeous. This shade, they're all gorgeous. I'm so impressed right now. Wow, I'm blown away. To be honest, I'm not gonna swatch all the colors because that is way too hard, but I'm gonna insert a photo in that I know is real right here. These are the swatches in the Jaclyn Hill palette that is dedicated to her subscribers. May I just say, they are gorgeous, and each one that I've swatched is blowing me away. I'm trying to just wipe it off with a towel, and it's still very, you know, it's pretty much still there, but it's blending away pretty fast. So I thought let's just try this. I'm gonna say I'm not like gonna go for these bright colors, but I love how she has them in here for people who would love them. They totally match my room. I love it, these top shades right here. But I'm not gonna be going into those. I'm gonna be going into the shades that I use every day that I think you would as well, like the nice warm tones, you know what I mean? There's definitely, I'd say there's barely any cool tones in here. There's maybe 3, like this one, and that one. But I'm not a big cool tone girl anyway. I love warm tones. I do. I'm basic now. I feel like that's just the way to go. So I'm gonna take this shade right here. I do wish there was names on the palette. This looks gorgeous. Oh wow, there's no really kick up. Yeah, there's barely any powder kick up. Maybe a little, but not too bad. So taking that caramely, very light shade in the palette, I straight up have freckles all over my eyelids. I'm a freckle girl, like I really am. So that's not patches. Those are freckles. See, freckle. Anywho, yes, I just wanted to make sure you didn't know for patches. Okay, let's go in. Oh wow, this is so soft and blendable. I'm taking a Morphe brush because I feel like Morphe and Morphe would go together. This is the M433 brush. This is one of their best-selling blending brushes. I'm gonna take a little more of that shade that I was picking up. It looks pretty good, I'll have to say. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna go into next? So I dipped into this shade right here, and I'm gonna go into this one and mix the one under that one. Oh my gosh, it's like so hard to describe the shadows because they all are very warm toned. Dang, that is so pretty. I'm not the biggest eyeshadow wearer, but it is very, very nice to have a really good eyeshadow palette. So I feel like I don't want to buy like 100 eyeshadow palettes because I feel like I'm not going to use them all. I want to just grab one, not have to travel with so many. So this is gonna be, I feel like, my best friend when it comes to an eyeshadow. I do feel like it's blending pretty well. It does look a little like choppy right at the underbrow area. I'm trying to blend it and like fade it out. It's not fading extremely well, but it's still so pretty. I love it because it's from Jaclyn, you know what I mean? I'm gonna take this like really yellow terracotta color. I think it's like a turmeric color, how about that? She should have named it turmeric. I'm gonna throw that on my eyes. I feel like, wow, that is so gorgeous, wow. I'm not gonna go too warm tone because I'm not wearing a whole lot of makeup today in general. I literally just have concealer and brows on, but I do just, oh wow, this is so nice. Wow, I'm pretty dang impressed. What a great palette for 35 bucks. I'm still like blown away. I'm gonna take this gorgeous golden color right here. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. There's a little powder kick up, but not much that goes like all over the other shades. Oh my gosh, wow. Here's an extreme close-up. Sorry if my eye is crinkling. But it's very pretty. There's a little texturiness from that shimmer shadow, but very, very warm toned and just pretty in general. I'm not the best at eyeshadow, but I feel like not a lot of people are, you know what I mean? I don't know, I feel like this would help people who aren't the best at eyeshadow out, to see if it would even kind of work for them or just for professionals, but this is gorgeous. What's next? I think I'm gonna go into this top shade right here and mix it in with another like kind of softer brown, just to kind of deepen the outer V a little bit. Wow, that is so gorgeous. I'm so impressed. Oh my gosh, there's like no fallout and it just looks really nice. Of course, I'm not the best at eyeshadow, but it looks very soft and very blended. Like I swear, I'm not even blending that much. Okay, now I'm gonna go into a tiny, tiny brush. I'm gonna just dunk into this like kind of light vanilla shade, the second one from like the start of the palette. If that makes any sense. I'm gonna go on my brow bone. Let's zoom in. I'm gonna go right on the tippy top of the brow. I do have to say, I wish it was not a shimmery one. I do like just kind of a matte cream on the top. Wow, I'm really impressed. Like, I don't really have any complaints about this palette. Sorry about the mirror, it's kind of right in your way. But like, it is super easy to blend. It's super pigmented, but there's not a whole lot of fallout. The palette's gorgeous. It's by Jaclyn Hill. And it's just really pretty. You have your bright colors that you probably won't use all the time, but very cool. And you just have your neutrals right up here, which I feel like are stunning. I just want to swatch this. Like, all these shades are just like so appealing to me. I'm so impressed. This is a big thumbs up for me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and bye.